Hello guys, after learning how to process your order for easy ship, now we will learn how to process your order in self ship. So for that, again open your Amazon Seller Central home account, click on this three line, go to orders and click on manage orders. So here first option is easy ship, which we have learned already. Now click on self ship orders. So as you can check, there are already 5 orders which need to be processed, right? So how to process a self ship order? So first select a product which you want to self ship. Now click on confirm shipment. So in easy ship we used to click on schedule pickup. Now you have to click on confirm shipment. So if you scroll down, according to Amazon order, you have an order quantity of 1. So here automatically 1 would be selected. If you scroll down, self ship, confirm shipment. So which date did you ship the product? So we have to mention the ship date, courier. So which courier you are using to ship your product? So from Amazon recommendation, there are 3 courier partners. First is Blue Dart, Digital Delivery and Shri Tirupati Couriers. Apart from these 3, you can use Delivery, Dotzo, India Post, FedEx, Ship Economy, Ship Global, Shri Maruti Couriers. So it's totally up to you whichever courier you want to use. So for example, if we select Blue Dart, so you have to skip this shipment service and come to tracking ID. So whenever you are shipping any product via any courier partner, they will give you a tracking ID. So you have to paste your tracking ID over here. So please make sure you copy paste the same tracking ID which your courier partner has given you, and then you have to click on self ship confirm shipment. That means self ship order has been processed successfully. The only important point over here is you need to mention the proper tracking ID. You cannot select a courier partner which is not available in Amazon system. You cannot select. Please make sure you are selecting those courier partner only which are in Amazon system. This is the way you process your self ship order.